Hou wil knoftaat te donet verbij from uitside van bemade atome in large quantities dat wil beinnou gevorte wole familie, without milk, without chocolade, without crème, without butter, with only 4 ingredients. Hou wil make a crème tasty, and dangerous donut. Ante result wil make ausai, and verweer paing moenai voor het. Wanneer 3 cups of water, half a cube of sigaar, and sigaar kan belees or moere tantes, bites is so right in te end. A kwarter of a cube of raf kuswa, ante type of kuswa is vrij important here, choose a goed type. 3 tablespoons full of starch, half a cube of powdered milk. If tere is no powdered milk, ten replace te water with the milk. We mix the first ingredients on the cold, then turn on medium heat and continue stirring until the consistency is thick as you can see. This is the required consistency. We pour it on a plate and leave it to fuel for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, then cover it with a plastic bag or stretch, so that it does not crack or make a fuss from above. When it fools, it reaches the room temperature. By the way, you can put it in the fridge to fool a little. We give it uit in the blender or in the hand blender. The step with the trick is what makes the consistency with is thin, creamy, and smooth at the end. The hand blender makes bubbles from the air. You open it, look at the consistency, but there are no lumps or anything. We pour it into small cubes. The cube is 2-3 tablespoons in mane. This cube is 2-3 tablespoons. You pour it into a small cube so that you can leave it the same atmosphere. We get the small coffee and it remains small like it is. Delicious in a way. More delicious than the original also. It has a special type of kuswa that is guaranteed to bemade at home and does not cost anything. Try it and let me know what you think.